Get ready to be amazed as we unravel not just one, but two mind-boggling benefits and three potential methods that alternative holistic healing brings to the table. Say goodbye to traditional methods and join us in uncovering the secrets of holistic approaches that are changing lives. Alternative holistic healing methods encompass a wide range of practices that address the mind, body, and soul, promoting overall well-being and healing. Let's uncover some key benefits of alternative holistic healing methods and how they can enhance your life. Benefit 1. Mind-body connection. Alternative holistic healing methods emphasize the connection between the mind and the body, facilitating a balanced and harmonious state. Benefit 2. The personalized approach. These healing methods take into account your unique needs, providing individualized and tailored support for your healing journey. It's amazing how alternative holistic healing methods can unlock your inner healing potential and bring about positive change. Now let's explore some popular alternative holistic healing methods and their benefits. Method 1. Meditation. Meditation promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and enhances self-awareness, fostering a sense of inner calm and balance. Method 2. Acupuncture. Acupuncture targets specific points in the body, stimulating energy flow and promoting physical and emotional healing. Method 3. Reiki. Reiki harnesses universal energy, facilitating deep relaxation, stress reduction, and energetic healing. Remember, these methods offer a holistic approach to well-being, nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Ready to change your life? Dive into holistic healing with me as your guide, follow for updates, comment your thoughts, and spread the love. Share this with friends who need positivity. And remember, your journey to healing begins with you. Let's shine and grow together. And as always, until next time, trust the process, and it's bye for now.